Hey, what's going on, Kick-Ass Nation? It's Christopher Rausch, your No Excuses coach, back here at the gym. Admittedly, I've taken the last week and a half off. Why? Because of self-reflection. I've decided, I just needed to take a break from everything. I took a break from social media. I took a break from a lot of the stuff that I thought I had to do and a lot of the pressures that I was placing myself under, and decided, just to take a break, just to be reflective and kind of just establish my priorities and think about what's truly important, because a lot of times we get caught up in the minutia of life. We get caught up in the things that we think we have to do, that we forget, and we lose sight of the things that we want to do and the bigger purpose and the bigger mission. So I took a break from everything. I was like, you know what? I don't need to go to the gym every single day. I don't need to do that. I need to take a break. I need to listen to my body. I need to have more patience and time for myself and just give myself some space and just to rest, because so oftentimes we're going and we're going and we're going and we think that's a badge of honor. But the badge of honor is the fact that when we stop and we get really serious and intentional about who we are. So no excuses, baby. Go live unstoppable. I love you guys. NoExcusesCoach.com. We'll see you there.